555 Park Avenue 7E needed an extensive renovation. I sold it for an excellent price due to an aggressive and creative marketing plan that generated many showings, which resulted in a bidding war. A contract was signed for 7E, while the other two listings just lingered on the market. I represented the sellers and the buyers of 7E. Here's how I sold 555 Park Avenue 7E. First, let me tell you a little bit about the apartment. 555 Park Avenue 7E was a grand 7-room co-op in a white-glove pre-war boutique building with just 25 apartments. It had excellent features such as its own private landing. All of the rooms flowed seamlessly off the large stately gallery. The rooms were generously proportioned with 10-foot ceilings, original hardwood floors, and old-world architectural details. Excellent light poured in from 3 exposures. The focal point in the living room was a beautiful wood-burning fireplace. The living room opened into a large formal dining room. The library was off the gallery and could be a 3rd bedroom. There was a powder room also off the gallery. The guest bedroom, with a wall of built-ins, had an ensuite bath. The primary bedroom had 2 exposures and an ensuite bath. It also had an exceptionally large walk-in closet as well as an additional closet. The large window eat-in kitchen with an island and butler's pantry could be easily accessed from the dining room, the gallery, and the staff room hallway. There was a laundry area off the kitchen with a full-size washer and dryer. The large staff room had 2 exposures and a full bath. While the old-world style was beautiful, it was out of sync with many of today's buyers, desiring a more contemporary aesthetic. To help buyers see the potential of 7E, I showed it in its original style first, followed by its transformation into a luxurious, chic, and contemporary design via the use of staged photos. The property video also showed the 7E style transformation. The photos in the property video allowed buyers to easily reimagine the look of 7E. I also had a contractor give his estimates of the cost to achieve the look. Oftentimes, buyers can overestimate the actual cost of a renovation. The marketing was highly effective. It resulted in an excellent price that was driven up by a bidding war. I represented the sellers and the buyers in this sale. They were both incredibly pleased with the outcome. The buyers got their dream apartment, and the sellers were able to move on with their lives. It is such a pleasure and honor to be able to help my clients achieve their goals. The right broker and marketing strategy make all the difference. Getting my clients results like these and providing them with the highest level of service is my mission. Please contact me to find out how the right strategy can work for you. For more of my success stories and to watch my property videos, go to carolstaub.com or visit my YouTube channel.